Hi everyone and welcome to Infinite Knowledge. If you wonder who we are, we provide leading-edge education about various topics such as programming, IT, business, and marketing. With our group of experts based in the United States, we are dedicated to help people learn, understand, and master important topics. Our student base are curious people hungry to learn more. And we believe we can help people learning our craft in an easy way instead of struggling to understand the concepts we master. We put definitions, examples, and bullet points of what you need to learn. It's our duty and mission to make sure you finish the course with as much knowledge as we do. Now, whether you are new to a topic or you are advanced, our courses will help you move to the next level. Plus, you can move throughout the course at your pace, which is totally awesome. Now here's our promise. You will get practical knowledge and expertise at your fingertips. Plus, all of our courses are risk-free. But we can't wait to start teaching you and giving you all that we have inside our courses. So get inside, I will see you there.